Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into an essential part of respiratory health, respiratory sounds. Whether you're a nursing student, medical student, a healthcare professional, or just curious about how the sounds our lungs make can tell us about our health, this video is for you.
Let's start with the normal respiratory sounds. These are clear, easy to understand breath sounds that show everything's functioning as it should. First, we have vesicular breath sounds. These are soft, low-pitched sounds heard over most of the lung fields during inspiration. That's when you breathe in. You can think of them as the natural whoosh sound as air fills the lungs.